good, y'all? It's HB Punch and Profit. We're gonna go over the trade we took today. So let's break down the narrative. 9:30, which is right here. We pretty much flush down, flush down, flush down. Let me get this off. Flush all the way down here into a high time frame PD array. We tap into that. We get an inversion in here. We have our advanced market structure right here. As soon as we close over that, we enter. Okay, which would be roughly around here. We did retrace like a point or two lower. That's when I added two more contracts. And then we pretty much run it all the way up to our 50 points right here. If you wanted to hold higher, you could have went here, or what you can do is take your fib retracement tool at the 9:30 opening. You can drag this down and you can pretty much aim for the 50% mark right there. So many ways you can take profit. I usually get my 50 points and I get out and I'm done. So another thing to note is stop can be at the low depending on your leverage. It can be at the end of this gap right here, right? Or sometimes even a little bit lower than that, right? Give it a little bit of room to breathe. Or if you want a tight risk management, you can put your stop 6 points from the advanced market structure shift. Usually the 10 to 11 silver bullet. This is very, very accurate. I would do like 6.25 to 7 points. You can manage your stop like that. It varies. I don't have a hard stop. I don't keep a fixed one. I just kind of feel it out. I've seen it pull back and I've seen it wick all the way to the bottom of the gap. Okay, that breaches the advanced market structure shift. I've seen it go to consequent encroachment. I've seen it only go 6 points, 5 points. I've seen it damn near close the gap, right? There's all sorts of variations. So it's really going to depend on you and how you want to manage it. In this case, 6 points would have done you just fine, right? You could have kept your stop right here. Entries can be difficult because you're not always going to get that tap back into the advanced market structure shift or the gap that breached the advanced market structure shift. That's why I kind of like to build my position. As soon as I get the close, boom, I enter. Any type of retracement, I'm going to add and build that position. I ultimately got three contracts for about $3,000. Okay, profit. That was the trade today. Hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving and have a good weekend. I will probably not be executing any trades tomorrow and Friday. It's really going to depend how the market is moving, but it's going to be an early close. So take care, you guys, and God bless.